So how to use the Morrisons More card. So to go ahead and use the Morrisons More card, it's very simple. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Morrisons More app. I'll also leave a link down below for both Apple and Android. Then once you're on the Morrisons More app, you simply want to go ahead and sign in. And once you're signed in, you should come to this homepage here, which looks like this. So the Morrisons More card, it effectively works the same way Tesco does for Club Card and Nectar card works for Sainsbury's. So it's essentially a card you scan when you do your weekly shop with Morrisons, and in return, Morrisons give you points that you can then redeem for discounted vouchers. So to go ahead and view your Morrisons More card, you'll essentially just want to click here, and then from here, you'll then want to scan this barcode when checking out at the till with Morrisons. So you can either do this on the self-service machine, or of course, if you need any help, a Morrisons employee should be able to assist you as long as you provide them this barcode. And of course, if you're on iPhone, you should get an option right here to go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet, which will obviously save you time at the till. So explaining on how the points work, if you go back to the home page, obviously right here you can see a rundown of how many points you've got and how much it's worth. So as you can see right here, I've got 125 points and that accumulates to around 12 pence. So I've still got quite a bit of way to go before getting that £5. So yeah, Morrisons More works a little bit different to most others. So the minimum you can withdraw is a £5, and you normally take it out in the form of Morrisons Fivers, which is effectively a £5 discount. And if you do get to a £5 and you want to redeem, if you select Fivers right at the bottom here, it will then open you up to this page here, and if you hit the relevant point, you should be able to redeem your £5 vouchers from here, and it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.